Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 18th, and this is my PM recap video for the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Access to all these benefits down here and more. So the euro dollar just keeps on trending up. If you've been following along with my recommendations, you've probably been doing really well. To be honest with you, this one was a little tougher to recognize because this kind of looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I think now in hindsight, what it was this big old expanding ABC correction. 1, 2, 3 waves down, kind of impulsive up, and then impulsive down. Now back into the uptrend. So as everybody knows, I am very, very bullish. I still think that the next real big area of resistance is right around 1.1 area on the euro dollar. So I'm definitely very, very bullish. I think because we're closing above the 78%, it will take out the previous highs, and it probably will go up to these Fibonacci positive numbers, the 123.6 or the 138 point, what is it, the 138.2, or maybe even beyond. Like I said, the 1.1 area is my next area of resistance. Moving on to the pound dollar. The pound dollar was another correction today, which honestly, it kind of looked like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I wasn't expecting this to continue the uptrend. I was more expecting it to be a correction. But what ended up happening here on this one too is another expanding ABC correction. A little bit tricky to spot these sometimes, but boy, what a another nice trade. I did have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here earlier today, and that was a perfect Fibonacci bounce. So if you were just looking for, over sold in an uptrend, Fibonacci bounces, that was a very, very, very good trade. If you go out to the daily time frame, my next area of resistance on the pound dollar is right around the 1.315 area. So I am extremely bullish. Normally, when you take out the previous highs, it goes up to at least the 123 or the 138.2. So definitely very bullish. Definitely looking for longs on pullbacks still. Definitely looking for those tricky patterns. And gold went way above the 261.8. So now my next target is the 278.6. So my next target would be $3,070 on gold. So still extremely bullish on gold. Going down to the shorter time frames, I mean, honestly, you probably need to be on a very short time frame to catch some of these little pullbacks. But the only thing I would be doing right now is either being on a very short time frame looking to get in on these little pullbacks, or I would have to be patiently waiting for a significant pullback to go long. I definitely wouldn't recommend trying to go short on gold, not whatsoever, at least not until we get to a higher fib level. And I also wouldn't recommend going long unless you see some sort of a pullback. If this does turn into a three-way pullback, that should make for a long opportunity. Or if you see a nice little setup on the 5 minute time frame on some of these smaller pullbacks, those also probably would be pretty nice longs. So longs all the way. The trend is definitely your friend on gold, the pound dollar, and the euro dollar, which means trade with the trend. So anyways, I'll talk to everybody tomorrow. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading, everyone.